How to manage your phone numbers and emails on Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your phone numbers and emails, that's mean contact info on your Facebook Messenger app. Go to your Messenger, click on your profile, scroll down and click on account setting, and here you have personal information. Click on it, and like you see on the second option, contact info, which is manage your phone numbers and emails, click on it and manage wherever you want. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.